My name is G. Kurmaya, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Co-Education, Manapati. Now we discuss about alcohol. That is an organic compound. That is the first chapter of third sem, second paper. That is first name is alcohol. Alcohol. Alcohol means these any hydrocarbons contain hydroxyl functional group, that is a OH functional group. These hydroxyl functional group contained hydrocarbons are called alcohols. That is a general formula of alcohol is ROH, where R means alkyl or aryl group, OH means alcohol functional group. R means alkyl. R equals to alkyl or aryl group. That is OH means alcohol functional group. Alcohol functional group. This alcohol means hydroxyl functional group contained hydrocarbons are called alcohols. So the general formula is alcohol is ROH. R means alkyl or aryl group. OH means alcohol group. So these hydrocarbons are called alcohols. Mainly alcohols can be classified into two types. Mainly alcohols classified into two types. One is aliphatic and aromatic alcohols. Aliphatic. One is aliphatic. Aliphatic alcohols. రెండోది aromatic alcohols. Alcohols. So first we discuss about aliphatic alcohols. Aliphatic alcohols means if aliphatic hydrocarbons contain hydroxyl functional group. You know what is a aliphatic hydrocarbons? The name of aliph means fats. ఫ్యాట్స్ అంటే ఫ్యాట్స్ను హైడ్రోలసిస్ చేస్తే ఫామ్ అయినటువంటి కాంపౌండ్ను ఎలిఫాటిక్ అంటాము. దీస్ ఎలిఫాటిక్ హైడ్రోకార్బన్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్కేన్, ఆల్కైన్స్, ఆల్కడైన్స్ అండ్ cyclohexanes. These all compounds are called aliphatic hydrocarbons. These aliphatic hydrocarbons, if contain hydroxyl functional group, those compounds are called aliphatic alcohols. These aliphatic alcohols can be classified into 3 or 4 types. One is number 1, monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. Second one, dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. Third one is trihydric alcohol. So fourth one is polyhydric alcohol. These 4 types of aliphatic alcohols are called. So first we discuss about monohydric alcohol. If any alcohols contain only one hydroxyl functional group, that alcohols are called monohydric alcohols. If you take for example, monohydric alcohols, that is only one CH3OH. It is a methyl alcohol or methanol. Methanol. Next C2H5OH, methyl alcohol. Next maybe only one hydroxyl functional group contained alcohols are called monohydric alcohols. Next, these monohydric alcohols can be classified into 3 types. It is also classified into three types. That is primary alcohol. One is a primary alcohol. Second one is secondary alcohol. Third one is tertiary alcohol. These are monohydric alcohols. You know what is a primary alcohol means? Primary carbon. If primary carbon bonded with hydroxyl functional group, those alcohols are called primary alcohols. You know what is a primary carbon? Primary carbon means a carbon bonded with only one carbon, or first carbon is known as a primary carbon. A carbon bonded with another only one carbon atom, that is called primary carbon. If first carbon are bonded with only one carbon, so these two are primary carbons. If these primary carbon bonded with a hydroxyl functional group, those alcohols are called primary alcohols. If you take any example of primary alcohol, that is CH3OH, next C2H5OH, these are primary alcohols. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, what may be. These are primary alcohols. Why? Because in these alcohols, the hydroxyl functional group directly bonded with the primary carbon. So these are primary alcohols. If you take another one, that is a secondary alcohol. You know what is a secondary alcohol? Secondary alcohol means if a hydroxyl functional group bonded with the secondary carbon, those alcohols are called secondary alcohols. Secondary carbon means a carbon bonded with another only one carbon atom, that is called secondary carbon. These secondary carbon bonded with the hydroxyl functional group, that is called secondary alcohol. If you take one example of this, here it is a primary carbon. It is also primary carbon, but these two primary carbons bonded with only one carbon atom, so it is called secondary carbon. This secondary carbon bonded with hydroxyl functional group like this, hydroxyl functional group. So those alcohols are called secondary alcohol. If you take any example of secondary alcohol, here CH3, CH, CH3. So what is the name of this compound? Isopropyl alcohol it is. Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. If you take another one, that is a tertiary alcohol. What happened here? The tertiary carbon bonded with hydroxyl functional group, those alcohols are called tertiary alcohols. You know what is a tertiary carbon? Tertiary carbon means a carbon bonded with another three carbon atoms. That is called tertiary carbon. If you take here primary carbon, but here primary carbon. These three carbons, that is a primary, primary. These three carbon bonded with only one carbon, so it is called tertiary carbon. If these tertiary carbon bonded with the hydroxyl functional group, those alcohols are called tertiary alcohol. If you take these carbon bonded with OH, hydroxyl functional group, so that is a tertiary alcohol. If you take any example of tertiary alcohol, CH3, here CH3, here OH. What is the name of this compound? Tertiary butyl alcohol it is. Tertiary butyl alcohol. These are monohydric alcohols. Now we discuss about the second one, that is dihydric alcohol. That is dihydric alcohol. If you take another example, definition of dihydric alcohol. You know what is a dihydric? It is a very simple definition of alcohols. Very easy and very simple. Dihydric means two hydroxyl compounds or two hydroxyl functional group bonded with only one compound. That is called dihydric alcohols. Only one compound. If you take any example of dihydric alcohol, CH2 OH, yes, CH2OH. So what happened here? Two carbons bonded with two hydroxyl functional group. So it is called ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. Glycol. Ethylene glycol it is. If you take another example, that is propane 1,2-glycol. Propane 1,2-glycol. CH2OH. What may be? CHOH or CH3. Propane 1, 2 glycol. Glycol it is. It is also another example. These are dihydric alcohols. If you take another one, trihydric alcohols. Trihydric alcohols means three hydroxyl functional group bonded with three different carbons in a compound. So those compounds are called trihydric alcohols. అంటే మూడు హైడ్రాక్సిల్ ఫంక్షన్ గ్రూపు బంధాలని ఏర్పరిచినటువంటి ఆల్కహాల్స్ ఏవైతున్నావో వాటిని ట్రైహైడ్రిక్ ఆల్కహాల్ అంటాము. ట్రైహైడ్రిక్ ఆల్కహాల్, దట్ ఈస్ ద గ్లిసరాల్. ట్రైహైడ్రిక్ ఆల్కహాల్ మీన్స్ గ్లిసరాల్. You write example of trihydric alcohol, that is glycerol. CH2OH, next CHOH, next CH2OH. It is a glycerol. Glycerol it is. It is a trihydric alcohol. Another one is a polyhydric alcohol. Polyhydric alcohol means it is more than 3 hydroxyl functional group. More than 3 hydroxyl functional group bonded alcohols are called polyhydric alcohols. More than 3 hydroxyl functional group. More than 3 hydroxyl functional group bonded hydroxyl compounds are called polyhydroxy compounds. That is mannitol. That is, for example, mannitol. Example of mannitol, that is CH2OH, next CHOH, taken 4, next CH2OH. It is mannitol. It is polyhydric alcohols. These are aliphatic alcohols classification. Now we discuss about aromatic alcohols. Okay, aromatic alcohols. Aromatic alcohols. Aromatic. Aro means sweet smell. If any hydrocarbons have a sweet smell, that is called as aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon. The aromatic, nowadays the definition of aromatic hydrocarbon is different. That is benzene and its derivatives are called aromatic hydrocarbons. Benzene and its derivative, aromatic alcohols. Aromatic. Alcohols. Aromatic alcohols. These also can be classified into aromatic ring undala kachithanga. aromatic ring ఉన్నటువంటి hydroxy compounds ను aromatic alcohols అంటాం. These aromatic alcohols first this classified phenols, phenol. It is also called monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. Second one is dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. మూడవది trihydric alcohol. Hydric alcohol. These are three types. So now we discuss about monohydric or phenols. What may be? Phenols అంటాం అదేంటే ఫస్ట్ కాబట్టి ఫినాల్ అంటాం ఏదైనా అనొచ్చు. monohydric alcohol అంటున్నాము ఫస్ట్. సో monohydric alcohols ను వీటిని ఫినాల్స్ అంటాం. వీటిలో ఓన్లీ వన్ హైడ్రాక్సిల్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ బాండెడ్ గా ఉండాలి. ఓన్లీ వన్ హైడ్రాక్సిల్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్. That is for example hydroxyl functional group directly bonded with benzene ring like this. It is OH. It is called phenol. It is also called phenol. It is also called monohydric. Cresol. If you take another one, that is cresol. If you take cresol, that is OH CH3. It is metacresol. It is called metacresol. Cresol. Second one meta and orthocresol. Ortho. It is meta, that is CH3. Metacresol. Last one paracresol. It is CH3. Paracresol. These all compounds are called monohydric alcohols. If you take another one, that is dihydric phenols or alcohols. What may be? Dihydric means two hydroxyl functional group directly bonded with the benzene ring. To is known as a dihydric alcohols. అంటే బెంజీన్ వలయానికి డైరెక్ట్గా నేరుగా రెండు హైడ్రాక్సీ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ బంధించబడి ఉన్నటువంటి ఆల్కహాల్స్ను డైహైడ్రిక్ ఆల్కహాల్స్ అంటాం. ఆర్ ఫినాల్స్ అని కూడా అంటాం. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డైహైడ్రిక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రైట్ ఆన్ ఎనీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ కాంపౌండ్ దట్ ఈస్ టూ హైడ్రాక్సిల్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ OH, another one is OH. It is these two hydroxyl function group directly bonded with the benzene ring, so it is called catechol. It is catechol. We take another one, that is resorcinol. Same catechol, resorcinol. The position is different. Resorcinol, that is OH. Resorcinol. This is resorcinol. Another one is phenol. That is a para position. OH. Second one is a para position. OH. These are phenol. Phenol is formed. These are dihydric alcohols. If you take another one, that is trihydric alcohols. Trihydric alcohol means three hydroxyl function group directly bonded with benzene ring to form alcohol, that is called trihydric alcohols. If you take one example of this compound, that is pyrogalan. And it's example of pyrogalan. If you take an example, that is pyrogalan. OH, OH. It is a pyrogalan. Pyrogalan. It is also trihydric alcohols. If you take another alcohol, that is a chloroglucinol. The trihydric alcohol, chloroglucinol. OH, here OH, here OH. It is fluoroglucinol. Glucinol. These are classification of alcohols. Now we discuss about preparation methods of alcohols and phenols.